Don't you hate it when you come outside and it's snowing or raining and take out your shoes and have water in it and you mess up your floor? Well, IKEA has another solution. So this is the BAGGMUCK shoe tray, shoe something as you call it. It's 71, it's plastic, it's 71 centimeters wide, and the height is the length is 71 centimeters, and it's wide 35 centimeters. It can hold up some shoes. It's made out of plastic. It can you put in when you go through the door, put your shoes directly here. And afterwards, when they dry out, you can take it in your bathtub and clean it up easier instead of cleaning up the floor all the time. Let's put on some shoes on this shoe tray. This is how it looks on some shoes. So you can see you can take up to 3 pairs of shoes. I have size 44 shoes, or they're not the smallest shoes you can find out there. And yeah, it's a good solution. It comes at the price of just €5, and especially in the winter months it can be quite practical. It comes in 2 colors, in gray and I think in yellow. And this was a bit about it, about the BAGGMUCK shoe tray from IKEA. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.